Hello, thanks for joining me for another review. Today we've got a beer from Siren, and this is their 1 through 3 IPA. As you can see at the top, collaboration with North Brewing out of Leeds and Salt Beer Factory out of Shipley, West Yorkshire. So yeah, two West Yorkshire breweries then, and Siren out of Berkshire. So yeah, 1 through 3 IPA then. This one's punching in at 6% ABV. It's one of the new releases, or recent new releases from MORRISONS. So I thought, yeah. I mean, I've been to both of the. I've not been to Siren Craft Brew's brewery before, but I've been to North's and Salt Beer Factory, and awesome, absolutely awesome. So I thought these 3 breweries together, what are they going to bring to the table? So yeah, it's saying a collaboration between Siren Craft Brew, Salt Beer Factory and North Brewing. This beer takes the best of each of our flagship IPAs to create something unique, yet with elements of each recipe taking turns at the forefront. So we'll leave it there. We don't want to go into any kind of tasting notes or anything. So it's a 440ml can, best before the 14th of August of 2021. That seems a long shelf life to me. It's a supermarket shelf life, that's what that is. I don't think these shelf lives would have anything near that length if they were at independent bottle shops, but that's just me. So it's classed as a New England IPA according to Untapped, so it's not particularly, I mean, it's hazy, yeah, but it's not compared to other New England styles. I mean, that is really quite. You can almost see through the other side of the glass. Look, there's the other side of the. You see the label there. You can see through it, which New England style should be a bit more hazy than that, if you ask me. So, 3/4 white, fluffy head then. Decent carbonation, as you can see, running up through the beer. Normally you don't get to see the carbonation on really kind of hazy New England styles, but yeah, not bad. It's kind of a straw, yeah, light straw colour, goldeny aroma. Yeah, citrusy. I'm getting a touch of passion fruit in there. The usual suspects, really. I mean, a lot of these beers run together for sure. Certainly some of the supermarket beers. It smells pleasant enough. Yeah, mildly tropical. Nothing crazy, but just very pleasant. There is a slight kind of malt bill coming through as well. Slight biscuity. Smells nice. Cheers. Bit of a lacing. It's got a lingering, almost like a fruit salad. A lot of these beers remind me of fruit salads that you can get. Slightly sweet. I don't know the IBUs to this beer. It doesn't list it on Untapped or on the actual can. So ingredients: water, malted barley, wheat, oats, hops and yeast. It's pretty much, repeat yourself with some of these kind of things. Malted barley is, oats. How much oats are they using that? Not a lot, I would imagine. So we'll get back into the taste. Yeah, it almost pours like a West Coast IPA, and then it goes into this mildly hazy. I mean, it's hazy, of course, but it's not like some of them. Biscuity, bready malt. As I said, sweet, very little kind of bitterness, so got that more. But there's more malt than I would expect for the style. Drinking experience, though, 6% ABV, you're not picking that up. Body is like a medium. Drinkability is very high. That sweetness keeps you coming back for more. There's a touch of dryness there on the back end. But yeah, overall, a very pleasant beer nonetheless, but to style, perhaps not so much. But yeah, overall, not bad. A bit of a residual flavour there on the palate. I'm actually quite liking that kind of playful malt build. You don't generally get that, you know, within the style. But this is actually, for me at least, working very well. Very kind of citrusy, juicy, kind of fleshy orange in there. Very easy drinking on the palate. It's really nice. In terms of rating, because I think I'm ready for this one, I'm going to give this beer a 7 out of 10, so it's a 3.5 on the old Untapped scale. So that is 1 through 3, collaboration, well, from Siren, but collaboration with North Brewing and SALT Brewing, SALT Beer Factory, get it right. Yeah. So, Untapped, 1,478 total check-ins of this beer, 1,067 actual ratings. Sorry, 1,067 in the last 30 days, get it right. 1,301, got to remember the one, actual ratings of this beer. It's coming in at 3.67. So, it's between, yeah, for me, it's a straight 3.5. Untapped to saying a 3.67. So it's kind of between a 7 and a 7.5 out of 10, give or take. But you might think it's a 10 out of 10. Let me know down in the comments. So 1 through 3 from Siren, their IPA, from MORRISONS, one of their beers in their supermarkets. So let me know if you can get this near you. Again, I didn't even mention the artwork. Typical Siren quality. I love their kind of can designs. Very good indeed. So anyway, I'm waffling on. Thanks for watching. Let me know if I've had it before. Check out my Siren Craft Beer playlist down below. They stretch back quite a few years. But yes, it's a brewery that I should be drinking more of, I feel. They produce some really good stuff. Well, they always produce good stuff anyway. So as an actual brewery, away from the supermarkets, go and check them out. If you're new to craft beer, for sure. If this is your first Siren beer, go onto their website, and you know all the links will be down below. So there's more information. Always check the commercial description. I always try and put as much information as I can. Commercial description, all their social media outlets, etc. A bit about the brewery. So yeah, do check that out down below. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you're all keeping safe, and I'll see you on the next review. Cheers.